Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what you already have and why that matters. Look for model numbers and the serial when possible. Once done, examine connectors and logos under bright light. Apple Originals show neat seams and precise engraving. Make sure to photograph both sides, the charging cable, and any packaging. You do this so later comparisons are fast and accurate. Those small visual cues are the strongest evidence. Now move to verification steps with your phone and Apple ID ready. Next, you verify functionality and provenance to confirm authenticity. First, pair the headphones to your iPhone. Make sure they appear with the correct name and battery pop-up. Apple Originals show battery levels and a pairing animation. Then, test the mic, inline controls, and stereo balance. Inconsistent buttons or muffled mic suggest clones. Also compare engraved text and connector pins to official images. Differences in font or pin count reveal fakes. Once you finish these checks, you'll be ready to conclude ownership. Finally, you complete verification and resolve problems efficiently. If everything matches, record serials, receipts, and photos for resale or warranty. If pairing or battery readout fails, reset the headphones, update iOS, and retry. Many issues clear with a reset. If doubts remain about authenticity, contact Apple support and send the serial plus images. This is the fastest way to confirm. One troubleshooting tip. If audio or mic fails after reset, test with another device to separate headphone faults from phone settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.